Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick unboxing, Middle Eastern fragrance haul, blind haul, first impression all in one. I had these 4 fragrances come in from Joma's shop. The Wow collection, which if you guys haven't seen my video, I'm telling you these are some stunning fragrances for 50 bucks, but they smell like they cost $200 or $300. So I was so impressed I ended up getting the Amber01, Amber07, and 2 more from Swiss Arabian that I never smelt of or heard of, but we're gonna check it out today. These are the Amber collections, Amber07, Amber01. I'm gonna show you the presentation of one. They're both the same color, but one has the 01 on it, the other one has 07. It kind of look like the Oud collection, where the bottle is more probably a brownish color instead of a straight burgundy or red. But either way, lovely bottles. First one we're gonna do is Amber01. I get some peppers. I get some fruity notes. Smell maybe like an apple, maybe a green apple. And some spices, pepper, green apple, fruits. You might have some amber, some vanilla. That's my first impression. Very nice scent. They fit right in line with the other Oud 01s and the other fragrances that I went over from Swiss Arabian Wow collection. Very lovely scent. That's Oud 01. It don't disappoint. Okay, this is Oud 07. Presentation just got Oud 07 to make it a little different. Wow. Wow. Man, that smells good. First impression, I'm getting like a dried fruit. I'm getting amber, some vanilla sweet notes. Some florals. But I'm very impressed with the Amber07. Amber01 smell good too, but Amber07 is special. Now, as far as the longevity and projection and performance, of course, this is a first impression, so I'm not gonna really speak on performance, projection, stages, dry downs, and all that. But initial impression, I like Amber07 better. Amber01 is very nice, but Amber07 smells more like a niche fragrance, where Amber01 smells like a niche fragrance too, but this one smells very unique. I think the dried fruits or whatever in it got it smelling more niche. Man, I'm telling you guys, I better get into that Wow collection. 50 bucks, you can't beat it. If you don't trust me by anything I say, trust me on this. The 7 from the Wow collection, all of them smell niche quality. Okay, the next one is Essence of Casablanca. Now this was probably 40 bucks. The first 2 was under 50 bucks. I like the presentation, got like cities or whatever. It's nice, but it's on the cardboard, but I like the printout. Got Swiss Arabian on the front, Casablanca. Now let's see what we get in this. How you guys doing today? Hope everything going well. I just want to do this right quick for you guys. Now that's a lovely bottle. Swiss Arabian makes some lovely fragrances. Forget Lattafa, forget Armaf. Afnan, Swiss Arabian, and Versace make some banging fragrances. But Versace, you have to pick the right ones. Ditch Lattafa, ditch Armaf, unless you want to smell like the other fragrances out there. If you want to smell unique and smell like you're wearing a niche fragrance, go with Swiss Arabian and Afnan, especially Swiss Arabian. This is a nice simplistic bottle, metal, got a city on it. Okay, I'm gonna go right here with this. I'm gonna get some fruits, some ambers, vanillas. But this smells more like a designer, first impression. It actually smells like a Versace that I own. Seems like some green apples, some powdery notes, vanilla. Might have some minor spices, but it smells more like a designer Middle Eastern fragrance. There's one worth getting into, but Amber01 and 07 is the star of the show right now. I think this more unisex, probably a woman could wear it. This is cool, nothing special. Now this last one was like $30, and this is a tester. That's a nice presentation also. This is called Passion of Venus. Spray that on my left wrist. I think I sprayed that on that side right there. Right away, peppers in your nose. That smells some fruits. Maybe smell like a grape accord. Maybe some florals, white florals. Now I like this. This is really good. Passion of Venus is really good. That smells like a high-end designer, almost niche fragrance. That's really good. It's very unique. Passion of Venus. You get maybe some grape notes, fruits notes. Kind of some spices. I don't know. It's maybe some pepper. Smell like some vanillas. The stars of the show is Amber01 and 07. That's Amber07, my favorite. Followed by Amber01, followed by Passion of Venus, which could also be a high-end fragrance. And my least favorite is Essence of Casablanca. All a nice blind buys, worth the purchase. For total, I think I paid under maybe $180 for all four, which you can't beat. It's four you can add to your collection, no doubt. They all nice fragrances, with Casablanca being my least favorite. Check it out, man. I'm telling you, Swiss Arabian. They don't mess around. Deal with Afnan, Versace, and Swiss Arabian. Mainly Swiss Arabian and Afnan, with Versace coming in third. If you want to start Middle Eastern, get into those. Swiss Arabian is banging the wall collection. These two, I don't know what the collection is called, but they're nice fragrances, especially Passion of Venus. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review, quick unveiling. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't check out the wild collection of the ouds and the other fragrances that I have, check out this video. Everybody stay safe, and I will see you soon. Peace.